This is the elevator at Macy's at Destin, USA, Syracuse, New York. We've got a Montgomery Vector. It says the level's out of order, it's just blocked off at the bottom. So we're still going down there. I tried the cabinet. Won't open. Just gonna do one ride. This one's not that great. Doesn't run very smooth, it's pretty bumpy. £2,500 capacity. Yeah, see, it's just blocked off. Door close does not work, there's your phone. Good God. Yeah, this thing's not that great.